Our flan è prêt à manger. Hello, welcome back to my kitchen. Welcome back with Chef Paolo. Chef Paolo just got back from Roma. I've been with my children. You see a lot of things we did together. Now, Christmas is over. This is 2023 and it's gonna be an amazing year. And what's the best way to start a new year with something sweet and super traditional and famous like a flan. Flan is a typical French cake, and of course we're gonna put some special touch of your Chef Paolo. So let's go with the ingredients, guys. We have 150 grams of sugar, 220 grams of flour, any type of flour you can use, 4 eggs, 20 grams of dark rum, a pinch of salt, 800 grams of milk, and a special touch of Chef Paolo, this blueberry. You know I love blueberry, but you can use even strawberry, blackberry, roseberry, even, I don't know, any type of fruit you like, you can put. Alright guys, so let's prepare our flan, and let's start with our first ingredient, 4 eggs. We take our 4 eggs, and we break it inside of this bowl. Once we add our 4 eggs, it's the time to add just a pinch of salt. After the salt, our 150 grams of sugar. Now we can start to mix our eggs and sugar in order we start to make our cream for our flan. Once we make a really nice cream, it's time to prepare our vanilla. We have the vanilla in the middle. All that nice. These are the favorite recipes of my daughter Angelica. You see, she loves to make cake. She relaxes when she cooks. Alright. Now it's time to add our 20 grams of dark rum. And mix. It's time to add our flour. We filter in the way our cream is going to be super smooth. Alright, and now it's time to mix all together. Once you achieve this consistency of our cream, we can start to add little by little our milk. Mix for a couple of minutes in the way we take all the ingredients and make a really smooth cream through our flan. Here we are, guys. Our flan is ready to be made. So we take our oven container. I love this because it's really still a Christmas mood. Before to put in our oven tray, we need to spread all the butter in the tray. The way it's not going to stick on it. Once the butter is well spread, wash our hands and we put our cream. Last but not least, we can add our fruit, in this case, my blueberry. Now, oven 190 degrees for 40 minutes. Let's go. And here we are, guys. This is the moment. Let's check it out. Mamma mia! Such an amazing smell, guys. Look at that. A little bit more patience. We need to put inside the refrigerator for 2 hours, and then our flan is gonna be perfect. Da 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 da! And after 2 hours in the refrigerator, our flan is ready. Our flan est prêt à manger. En bas français, un petit peu. Ouh là là! Alright, guys. Super soft. Oh, this really nice strawberry. Now it's time to try. An explosion of taste in your mouth, guys. As I always say, so soft. You see the thickness of the cream and this kick of the vanilla make this flan amazing. Mamma mia, how can I do my diet with such an amazing and delicious cake, guys? Next time, you see all the ingredients, super simple, super easy. This is everybody cake. They all will love it. French flan, one of my favorite much to me. Next time, next recipe, same home, same chef. See you there.